Well, howdy everybody. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. It has been raining all night and day, and we got to get things done today, but I got something to show you. This video is about something we just brought home to the farm. You never know what you're going to get here, but I got the trailer hooked up. We did a little shopping yesterday evening, and let me show you what we came home with. I know most of you probably, if you watched our last live, or one of the last lives, you seen where we were looking for some piggies, and we actually found some. They've been sleeping up here in the hay. We picked them up yesterday evening, brought them home, and we got 2 girls, 1 boy, and that is all we could get for now. These things, these weaned piglets are super hard to find right now in our area. Even within 2 or 3 hours away, they're hard to find. We got 2 girls, 1 boy, and the boy is fixing to become, well, I don't even know the proper terminology because I don't want to get in trouble on here. And we're not going to show any of that process on here, but this year, if you guys, look at this. What do you think of that, Skeet? You like pigs, huh? You like pigs? Get out of there. Alright, let's close it before they jump out. I don't feel like chasing pigs today. We will show more of the pigs here in just a little bit. But last year we brought pigs home, and so many of you loved watching the videos of the pigs, so we're going to try to vlog all this stuff. But we posted a video last year that YouTube didn't exactly approve. And even though we didn't show any of the gory, weird stuff, we were turning a boy pig into a not boy pig. I don't even know if I can say the word on here, to be honest. Because last year when we posted that video, we didn't even show anything at all. But we just did a little time lapse, and YouTube deleted the video. So we don't want to go through that again. But we brought these pigs home last night, and we were looking for 8, and we were only able to get 3. So we're still looking for more pigs. It might be a couple weeks, it might be a month before we can find more, but we are hoping to be able to raise, I think, 5 or 6 of these for other families, other people that want to pay for them once they're grown out. They just pay the pay for their hanging weight and the processing fee and all that. We'll get into that later. Last year we did a little trial run with 2 people, and we put it on our personal Facebook page, and it was actually 2 of our YouTube subscribers that purchased those 2. So we're going to try to up the game a little bit this year and raise a few more. So if you guys are interested, be looking for that. Like I said, we'll get more into the details later. We got to find the pigs first. And the hard part about that is processing dates are almost impossible to get right now. They're like 9 months to about 2 years out, depending on what processor you use. So you have to buy pigs according to their size they are at now and when your processing date is. Because if you get them too late or too early, too big or too small, they're going to be too big or too small when your processing date comes. And we like them to be around 300 pounds. But right now, the last couple years, it has been really hard, so you can't be too picky. So I've got to run to the feed store real quick and pick up some hog feed. Last night, all I gave them was some three-way feed with some rolled corn, which is what we feed all the other animals on the farm. It's a lower protein, so you don't want to feed it to these growing hogs as the main nutrition or their diet. You know, just getting them by from last night and all that's not going to hurt them. It's just putting food in their belly. They're getting nutrients and all that out of it. But when you're pushing the feed to these guys, you want to feed them a better product so they grow better, and it has all the vitamins and minerals and stuff that pigs need. So I'm going to head to the feed store. When I get back, Rachel and I is going to pull the trailer down to the hog pen and get ready to release them. But before we let them out, we're going to grab that boy and do that process. We're probably not going to film none of that because we don't want this video getting taken down again. So far, they're pretty friendly. You just seen they came up to me and they were sniffing around on Skeeter. And last year we had friendly pigs do that. But then after that little process with the boys, they weren't too friendly anymore. So that's enough talking. I'm going to hit the road and get back so we can get this done. It's been pretty cloudy and rainy. Like I said, it's been storming, but pigs love the rain. All right, back from the feed store. I got all kinds of stuff. This is a little treat for the goats. We'll talk about that later. Got the pig feed. Got a bale of straw for some bedding for the piggies. Alright guys, we drove the Tacoma that has all the feed and the straw in there, and what we're going to do, we got the trailer backed up to the gate with the pigs in it. My dad's here with us. We're going to have some extra hands just to kind of help hold that boy pig down while we do the deed on him. But first, we got a couple bags of feed. This is not the feed that I would regularly feed them, but it's all our local feed store had. So we're going to go ahead and put a few bags in this Osborne automatic feeder here. This thing has been a game changer. It will hold, I believe, 770 pounds of feed. I'll try to put an iCard up to a video to where we first put this feeder in for our last pigs.
It's been awesome.
It's been a game changer. So we'll kind of show you guys how it works and how to fill it up. But the pig's favorite place to sleep in here is over here in this corner. And right now it's still pretty cool temperatures. So we're going to get a bale of straw and make them a little bed over here just to help keep them warm, because they are still small baby pigs.
So they can cuddle.
Yep. So here's this. I'll start filling this up.
Okay.
I guess, I don't know if we want to put all the bags in there, or we might keep one bag just in case. It's still got a little corn in it.
And this works by, they put their snouts down here and they use those to turn it, and then it releases feed when they turn it.
Make sure it's working right. Still a little bit of corn in there. It ain't coming out, but I don't know. It's
loose.
Huh?
It's loose.
There it comes.
Yeah, it's coming. I just want to make sure there wasn't nothing clogging it up.
Leave one bag.
Yeah, we'll leave one bag. In case, you never know.
I can't even see down in there.
Too dark.
Well, I can't read for one. I don't know if y'all can see that.
One more.
Boy, it's dusty.
Yeah, you're gonna get it already. Alright, let's make sure this thing works.
Okay.
Yeah, there it comes. So we'll talk about it now. What this does is it has these little paddle wheels on here. And if you guys are new to the channel, I'll kind of explain. I know a lot of you guys have been watching us, have heard me go over this before, but the pigs come in here and they smell the feed and they start eating all the feed that's down here in this trough, and then they get a little nosy and they smell the feed that's in here, so they start kind of rooting around, and when they do this, it turns that wheel, and when they turn it, it makes more feed come out of the hopper, just like that. Get some of that. So we got the straw in here, and guess what? I didn't bring nothing to cut it. I don't think my knife will. I might have something in my other truck. Nope, too tight.
Okay.
Don't want to leave any of this stuff in here because they'll try to eat anything. And it's pretty sharp. We'll just make them a little soft bed here with some of the straw. And I'm sure they'll probably eat some of it. But if it gets cold at night, they can always burrow down in this and make a dog pile each other like pigs always do. How's that look?
I think the pigs will love it.
It looks cozy, right?
Yep.
And then in the summertime, they just want to lay in the mud. Mojo, what are you doing in here?
What are you doing, Mo?
Just looking it over.
He loves the pigs.
He does. He's not gonna like the noise he's fixing to hear, but
we're not going to show any of that.
no.
But it is a part of farming.
Yep, part of it. We don't like doing it. I promise. I do not like doing it.
It's not
But
pleasant.
it's part of it. All right.
Mo, are you getting Pawpaw lovins? That's why he come down here. He knew Pawpaw was here.
Yep.
He knew Pawpaw was here.
All right. So
Yeah.
I guess we'll back the trailer up, try to get two of the girls out, and then we'll grab the boy and we'll just set him up here.
Sounds like a game
Well, I
plan.
just back this pickup over there about
Yeah.
that tree.
We can do that.
Okay. What is it, Mo? What is it? What's in there? Huh? What's in there? You're not sure about it, are you?
He's a good looking boy, you might want to keep him a board. That's good.
You want to open that? You ready?
Yep.
Mojo, go down, buddy.
Come on.
Come pigs, we get
Come on. Come on, big issue.
I said, we heard some squealing. We don't know about that. Come on, pigs. Come on, pigs.
Come on, pig.
Come on.
Come on,
Pig,
pigs.
pig, 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 pig.
Come on, pigs.
Mo. Let Mo out.
Watch them don't go around that corner.
I know. Come on, Mo.
Come on.
on.
Mojo, come on.
Come on. Come on.
Yep.
Come on. Come on. Mo.
They're fine.
Mo.
They ain't going nowhere. Mojo,
Come
Come
on,
on,
he
Mo.
Mo.
says he's greeting new animals.
I didn't close
Come on,
that
Mo.
gate on the side.
I'm just gonna pull it a little bit.
I wonder if Mo had pigs at his last farm. Kind of wonder that. Or if they're just completely new for him.
Looks like they might be kind of lean.
He sure liked watching them last year. He'd sit right there at the gate and watch them. Dirty eating grass. Dirty rooting.
Alright guys, so now they are in their home for the next several months until November. And you can see they're already happy. These two are happy. That one over there, not so happy. But it's part of farming, like Rachel said. We're not using them as breeders. They're strictly for meat consumption. So we're going to give them the happiest life we can until the day of their processor. And they're going to like it. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but they got their own little pond over here. They've got all kinds of grass. They've got all these oak and hickory trees that provide them with acorns and hickory nuts. When they get a little bit bigger, they absolutely love that. And we'll see if they make their way to the pond. You can see their noses are already getting muddy. They're happy. This is a alternative, and this is what we like to say pasture raised. Even though this isn't a big giant pasture, it's not free range. But they got about an acre of land right here that is nothing but dirt, rocks, mud, and a pond over here that stays wet all year round. They got plenty of trees for shade.
Yeah, freedom.
Freedom. But guys, this is what we like to say is the happy life of the animals here on the farm. A lot of pig producers, like the big pig producers that raises pork and stuff, raise pigs in confinement on cement slab floors, just like chicken houses. They never see daylight. They never have access to fresh grass, sunshine, which provides a lot of minerals and vitamins that you can't get otherwise. So we just feel it's important for them to have happy lives until it's time to take them to the processor. And they're going to eat bugs, they're going to eat all kinds of stuff that they'd eat in the wildlife. Look, right there, they're eating leaves. And there is our automatic waterer, which we gotta dump it and clean it out here in just a second. And we'll make sure they find their feed here in a little bit, but they don't know what to do, they're so happy.
The little boy is steering clear from us at the moment.
Yeah, he will, just like last year, remember?
Yeah.
But he'll join them in a minute. So, you wanna help me clean this out real quick?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll just dump it and then... They do have the pond, guys, but we like to keep fresh water at all. You see all those leaves and all that fell in there. About time to get a new one of these, I think.
Hey, Tartar has these.
Yep, we need to...
Chad with Adler Farms has one.
Yeah, that's...
And it was nice.
Yeah, we need to hit them up for sure.
Kevin actually made this one.
Yeah, I had to make this one and it was kind of a pain, but...
Tartar has one that's pre-made, which is awesome.
They're still jumping around for joy. Well, Joe, what do you think of these new pigs, Bubba? He loved coming and visit the pigs last year.
You want a facial?
No. But hey, wait, Dad can get that hose hooked up and then you can just spray it out.
Yeah, I will. I'm just
It's probably all kinked up.
getting that out.
Find me in those.
I don't need that long of a hose out here. I need to get something to make it shorter. I need like 3 feet.
Here they come.
Oh. I'm glad these are friendly pigs. They're not skittish.
Well, yeah, the ones we have back here.
Here, Dad, let me have that hold it. Rachel, this little thing, you pull these in and there's a little tab in here. You'll see it. And then you can kind of see that right there.
Oh, yeah, the floater deal.
Yeah.
Okay.
This thing's about had it.
Yeah.
It's getting rusty.
Yeah, we'll definitely talk to our friends at Tartar and get one of those ordered. Because I really like Chad's on it from Adler Farm. Mojo is still nosing around.
What?
That one took off running. The little boy is way at the back of the pasture there. He's going to keep his distance from us for probably a little while. I don't blame him. Because that's never pleasant to have to do. That's why we try and get gilts.
Or somebody that's already done the job for us.
Exactly. We can do it, we just prefer not to.
Last year we did 2.
And we let them get way too big last year.
Yeah, not bigger than this. This is the biggest I've ever done, and I won't do it again, probably.
Yeah. That's funny. They're loving the pasture to run on.
Huh?
They're loving the pasture to run on. Come here.
Hey, pick.
Come here, girls. Oh.
Sorry.
I got mud all over the camera. What are you doing? Hi. Hi there. Hi there. What are you doing? So these are way friendlier than our piglets last year. Definitely, because we couldn't even get them to come up to us last year, except Jabba. He was super friendly. And that one's still in the far back corner over there. And I think they've almost got it clean.
Now let's fill it up.
Fill her up. Yep. That's gonna get.
Yeah, for now, good. I don't know if this one's leaking, hopefully not. I'll go show them the pond real quick.
I got mud all over the camera.
So that's the boy, guys. He is still kind of mad at us right now, and I don't blame him like Rachel said, but as you can see, all these trees here provide a lot of shade. I know I kind of already talked about that, but you can see all the grass they got. They've got tons of grass here. They've got all the mud they want, and best of all, this is the pond that we dug out last year, and we haven't had a lot of rain here recently until a couple days ago, but still not a lot of rain. But you can see it holds water pretty much year round.
We gotta get some of these rocks picked up down here.
Yeah, that's next project, some of these big rocks. But the other ones are still doing good. They haven't found the food yet. But I had tons of food in their trailer overnight, so they're probably not real hungry just yet. Did you drink it?
If I had to, I would.
Here comes your friends. You know, Picks. Go check on your brother for me. Now, I want to see if they'll get in the pond. It's kind of cold today. It ain't cold, but it ain't warm.
You didn't even tell them about the spot.
No, I haven't yet. So,
Come here, girl.
this pig right here has a spot on its back that looks like Mickey Mouse, believe it or not.
How weird
I can't
is
get a
that?
close-up yet. I kind of want to see if they'll get in this pond, but I don't think they're interested yet. I'll try to get a close-up if I can here in a second.
It's kind of a sign. We've had two things
Maybe.
that have had Mickey Mouse on it this year.
Yeah, that's weird.
So,
Let's go over by the feeder and see if they'll follow us. Come on, pigs! So I'm going in their little shed lean-to, and I don't even think I've showed you guys this lean-to. I was just expecting everybody to already know. I'll show you guys this as soon as I get out of here. Come here, pigs!
come on, girls.
Come here, pig!
Come on, pig.
Go over there by them or something. Nope, now they're going the other way.
They're just enjoying running around.
Okay, hold on. Let's see if I can make some noise here. Here, pig! Hey! Here, pig!
We got a bucket down here.
Yeah, we don't have a bucket, but I don't know if they're trained.
Come on, pig.
Come here, pig!
Come on, girls. Come on, pig.
Here, pigs!
And that's how we call them. Come
Yep.
on, pig.
Come here, pigs! They don't care about the feed right now. I know they'll find it. Pigs are real curious. They're real nosy, and they have very good smell. They'll smell this feed.
They started over here a second ago, and then they got sidetracked.
And they'll see this as cover. Tonight, when it starts getting dark, they'll start looking for something that has cover. And this shed is where they're going to sleep. Like I said, we made the bed. I guess Dad got tired of us waiting.
Oh, I love the sound of that truck. I love a good diesel.
Me too. What you doing?
Come here, girls. Come on, pig.
Oh, he's moving it so we can get the other truck out, I
Come
guess.
on, pig.
Come here, pigs. I want to show you your bed,
Come on, pig.
your room for the night, and your food.
Come here, girls.
Compliments of Hidden Heights Farm.
Come
Oh, they found a rock. Listen.
Come on. Looky here. Come here. Come here. Come here, pig. Look, here, girls. Looky there.
There you go.
Looky there. Nope.
They want the grass.
That didn't work.
Alright, let's give you the tour of the lean-to.
Come here, girls. Here.
So I built this last year when we had the pigs. It is 12 by 16. About 7 foot tall on the top, 6 foot in the back.
Kevin.
It's metal, and it keeps them dry. It keeps them out of the wind if it gets windy. And we got it anchored down to where the storm shouldn't be able to tip it over.
You're missing it.
I got you.
You're not showing my butt crack, are you?
I don't think so. That's trying to get the truck out of here. Look at this.
They didn't even eat the feed that was in my hand.
No, they love grass. So I guess we are still looking, like I said earlier at the beginning of the video, we're still looking at adding about 5 more. Hopefully we can find some soon, so stay tuned. Like I said, you never know what you're going to see on this farm or on this channel.
All good stuff, though.
Oh yeah.
All good stuff. All positive.
So they got their food, their bed, their housing. They should be good to go, right?
Yeah.
And we'll come out here and check on brother. We did what we had to do on him, and then we went ahead and sprayed him with a purple coat and a septic, just so we don't have to worry about no infections and
There
keep
they
the
go.
flies off of it. There they go. Pig butts. Can we say that?
I like pig butts.
There they go. They're finding it now.
I like big pig butts.
I like them on the smoker. They said, hey, this place is pretty nice. They haven't even found their dinner yet, though, have they?
Nope.
They've been munching on grass and leaves, so.
They're not real interested in the feed.
Yeah, they're exploring. I keep hearing them putting rocks in their mouth.
We do have an abundance of rocks, but you can't eat them, girls.
Right. And you got the goats over here. I see babies running around. Little new babies. Or a baby. So, goats will meet pigs eventually. I think they did earlier. Now it's found the stick. There's the Mickey Mouse right there. Perfect shot. That is a perfect Mickey Mouse.
Yep.
Holy cow, that is crazy. A goat and a pig with Mickey Mouse on the
That
back.
is so funny.
That is
I think it's a sign.
what's the Disney guy's name?
Walt Disney.
Walt Disney, yeah, I guess.
Walt Disney.
Too bad. Yeah. Anyways, I guess it's time to wrap this video
Yeah.
up. We got some other stuff to do.
I love pigs. I can sit down here all day with the pigs. They're my favorite farm animal.
I like pigs too, but we're gonna go check out this water, make sure it is filling up, and we got some other stuff to do, so stay tuned. You never know, we might end up with more pigs in our next video. I bet you guys didn't know we were getting these today, but I am a mess. Are you a mess yet? You got mojo hair all over you.
I smell like a pig, and I got it on one of my favorite shirts. So.
Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe down below. You got anything else to say?
Smash the thumbs up.
Hit that like button, smash the thumbs up, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.
See you guys.